Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today let's make this amazing saltfish recipe. This is for my curried infused stuffed duff. Our fish of choice today, we have smoked herring and salted cod together. We're going to boil these fishes out to get rid of most, if not all, of the salt and the smokiness. We are going to strain it like this. If it is still salted, repeat the process. To a preheated pan, we're going to add some oil, some onion, garlic, ginger, parsley, thyme. Saute this for about 1.5 minutes. Then we're going in with our saltfish. Now remember not to salt this fish as it is saltfish, so be careful. You can just add a bit of complete seasoning, which I did, not too much, but just taste and adjust. I did also add some black pepper, chili flakes, some thyme, and some tomatoes for freshness. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. All right, and set aside. So thank you guys. Please remember to subscribe and be kind to yourself and each other. And I see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.